Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to make spaghetti beef bolognese, or you can call beef ragu. Now you guys already know how to make beef bolognese because my second episode I show you how to make beef bolognese. So I think you guys have an idea for that as well. First we need some ingredients. Some spaghetti pasta, salt, pepper, olive oil, butter and some parmesan cheese. Okay, let's see how to cook this spaghetti pasta. We need to make 8 minutes. We have to boil this one for al dente. Okay, let's go. First we have to boil water, just nicely boil it, and you can add just 1 spoon salt. Then we can add our spaghetti pasta. When it's getting boiled, this down part, you can turn it, then we can make full boil. Now you will see this, all the spaghetti is going down. Okay, after a few minutes it will okay. Okay guys, now our spaghetti is already boiled. It's done. Now it's al dente because I boil 8 minutes. Now you can strain it nicely. So after removing, you have to add some olive oil for this spaghetti. Then it will not stick. Okay, now we are going to make our spaghetti bolognese. I will show you how to make. Make it hot your pan. Just add some olive oil. Just 2 tablespoons enough. I'll put some garlic because I like it flavored food, and some onion. Just no need too much, just add little as you like, and just saute it nicely like a golden brown. If you need, you can use any other pasta also, no need spaghetti. As you like, you can take that pasta, but today I will use spaghetti. Just make it nicely sauteed. Now you want to add your beef bolognese. And just make for 2 minutes. When you make, you will feel how is that smell also. Now we need to add some tomato sauce. I just use 2 spoons. Then we can add some hot water. Then last we will add some salt. No need too much salt just little bit pepper and some butter. Just 1.5 teaspoon butter you can put. Some Parmesan cheese. Now you can add your spaghetti. Now I will use my tongue because with tongue it's easy. Now you will see the nice color and nice look, yummy look also there. Now almost ready our spaghetti. Now next step is we need to serve this. Okay guys, today is our bolognese ready to serve. I will put on the top some Parmesan cheese. This is the final touch our bolognese. And if you like just my channel, subscribe it and don't forget to click on bell icon. Give me your feedback, good feedback, bad feedbacks, everything. I hope you guys enjoy with me today. We will see the next episode. I will make tasty food for you guys. And thank you.